Hello friends, let's take some points against the dark side of corporate farming. Dark side means what statements are going against the corporate farming. In this context, I have picked five important points in this line of corporate farming, which has been taken into consideration in the negative way. That is, farmers may be landless, or you can say that in the same land farmers become a tenant, or farmers wait to take wage for their own bread and butter. You can imagine that if the land will go in the hand of the corporate players, farmers will need the job on their same land for getting their bread and butter. It's a very pathetic situations that will arise if the land will go in the hand of the the corporate players or the private players. Second is, think about the marginalized section of the society. Marginalized section of the society. Who are the marginalized sections? They are female. Okay. They may be the children who are also depend on the same land. There may be the livestock. Though they are marginally section of the society, if the land will go in the hand of the corporate players, they will not assess the resources and could not get their, you can say that, could not get their minimum requirements without sufficient resources in their hand. That is the another peculiar thing that will come into picture when the hand or the land will go in the hand of the corporate players. Third is, no doubt land will go in the hand of the corporate players, but what about the Land Ceiling Act? What about the Land Ceiling situations or act or situations? Because once the limitation to take over of a particular land is highly limited, though it will be transformed to the corporate players could not reap its benefit, could not reap the benefit as much as they can. So it means to say that if the land will go in their other party, they will not reap the maximum benefit from it. Fourth one is regarding the food security. You all know that when the corporate player will get the land, what they will produce? They will produce the cash crop. They will produce those commodity which are demand in international arena or podium. They will very profitable. They will focus that how to sell the commodity which are maximum demand in the international podium. Then ultimately our food security will be impacted. We have more than 144 crore populations. In the 2047 it will touch around 160 crore populations. Who will feed them if everyone will produce the cash crops? In a similar situation what we have faced in the time of independence, that will arise again. Okay, the next point may come that we can hand over the wasteland into the hand of corporates. It can, but again it has some limitations. In the same wasteland, the many people or livestock depends on it for feed, fodder, and fuel. Feed, fodder, and fiber, or you can say that feed, fodder, and fuel. And again, who will say which is the wasteland in the policy frame of the government? So again it is go against the interest of the farming community that may be impacted on their livelihood and security. Hopefully these 5 points is essential in the context of dark side of the corporate farming, and definitely it will be helpful you to understand whether we actually need the transformation of the land as the property in the hand of the corporate player, whether corporate farming is essential one or any other solution just like the FPOs, contract farming, cooperatives will be the better solutions against the corporate farming. Hopefully today's video is useful for all of you. Stay tuned with me. I'll bring more video in this contest. Thank you. Thank you all.